not good at drawing, especially portrait. I've always wanted to improve my drawing skill, and what better way to learn than from YouTube? There are so many amazing artists sharing their techniques, so I decided to follow tutorials from two different channels. I'll spend time to practicing their technique step by step to see how much I can improve. So let's get started. First up, Perker. This channel I followed focuses on detail, shadow, and making drawing look as real as possible. Realistic art is all about observation and focusing on details. This channel encouraged me to look at my reference image and break them down into basic shapes before adding details. If you follow my channel, you know I have a problem about draw noses, but look at this one. The shadow, highlights. One of the most important techniques in realistic drawing is understanding light and shadow. At first, my sketches looked a bit weird, but after practicing, I started seeing real process. It's so satisfying when I'm drawing slowly. Next, I switched to semi-realistic drawing. Here's what I picked up from the channel I followed. I found Loomis method from this channel. Loomis method is a closely shape of human skull because you know where the hairline starts and you know where the nose ended. When you're drawing in a basic Loomis head, you can totally understand what should you do. Between realistic and stylized art. Unlike realistic art, which very tiny details matter, the artist let you simplify anything. One of the best ways to improve my semi-realistic drawing is observation and sketching. Draw anything, faces, hand, or even object. Soft shading, smooth blending, and good understanding of light and shadow will make my drawing better. After practicing both styles, I realized something. I think everything possible with practicing. So I think it's not matter with YouTube or another drawing courses. You can absolutely improve your skill drawing with practicing art.